Okay, I just want to give you one example of how we can achieve more, so that we have really a workflow where we know the sample arrived and that every step which will be done exactly with this sample which we have in our sample list. So what we see here is one step further than the machine which we have seen on the lab bench before, which I have shown you before. This is a fully automated system for the TN and TBN analysis, including all the sample preparation steps which come before the analysis. So that means we have the fully automated station. It contains an omnisample robot and a cobot, and both work together. One is doing the sample preparation part and the other one is doing the analyzing part, as you have seen it before in the last slide which I have presented to you. And here it works like that just the sample is brought in with a QR code and it will be checked before the sample is started. Is this really the sample which I have defined in my sample list, that this should be determined. And we have several steps in the system where QR codes will be read and where it will be checked to make sure that it is really traceable until we have the final result. So all the other steps, identification, homogenization, decapping, pipetting, weighing in, all the steps which the lab technician is doing, we spoke about it, that there are less lab technicians doing this standard work, is done in this robot box, I would say, in this lab robot, as we have it here. Just that you get an idea, this kind of setup can do up to 250 samples per day, but it can be even increased to 400 samples a day, as we have still possibility to add more to that system. So with this, it is much easier to make sure that the results are getting better, for sure, because everything is done in the same way, and that you have the full traceability from the moment the barcode has been generated and activated in the LIMS system and then connected to the sample before it is put into the machine. So the nice thing is this is completely controlled by our own software. And we are not only using Metrohm devices inside, so we are using also balance, cap openers from other companies, and we are able to communicate with all of them. And with this, I think I hand over to Philip.